For me as an entrepreneur, it is very important that my employees know that we're looking after them, that we're doing our best for them and the company.
To stay up to date with the latest technology and thus remain competitive and work more effectively. We want to be an attractive employer so that our apprentices decide to stay with us and so that it's easier for us to recruit new, young employees. That's the reason we thought this is the only way to go, to use digitalization and to try to make everything as simple and as structured as possible.
That's when I said, this is exactly the right thing for us, the right step to take to move forward. We get a clearer overview of the tools and their stock levels. That's a definite improvement. Our employees understand this storage system, which makes work easier and clearer for every single one of us.
We chose the CM system because it was a new system and we saw the opportunity to get involved to bring in our own ideas and wishes. The CM system has been very well received. There have been significant benefits for order management and tool maintenance, and it's easy to work with.
It just makes everything so much easier for our machine operators. It minimizes the risk of errors and damages. Now there are no more typing errors such as transposed digits, for example. No, for me there's definitely no going back.
You just have to look in the tool to see where the required tool is located. All this only takes a few seconds.
We are now using connected manufacturing to such an extent that we can transfer the data from the tool presetting unit directly to the machine.
We now have a single tool table for the whole company. In other words, a single tool table for all machines. Imagine that. You now know where a particular tool is, that it will be available in, say, 5 minutes, and that you can use it. And the employee preparing the next work process can already establish if the tool will be available when he needs it or not. This is an incredible advantage. It's hard to imagine. By now, our employees are really comfortable working with connected manufacturing. I think that they wouldn't enjoy going back to working without the system. Let's put it that way. What is actually very important is the support provided by the Hoffman specialist in setting up connected manufacturing. He told us what we had to look out for, which meant we were able to avoid unnecessary duplication of work. To put it simply, he helped us to make the transition process as smooth as possible.
I have to admit, we felt that our setup process at the machine tool could be optimized. As long as the machine is running, everything is okay. When it's not running, that's when we have a problem.
If you want to start your company's digitalization process without having to spend a fortune, I'd say you would be stupid not to do it.
For us, this was exactly the right thing to do. Nowadays, you have to be well positioned and think positively. And with the right partner at your side, all these things were possible.